our way to check out our very first RV.
Yeah.
It's within our budget. It's a 95, so it's seen some life. It looked like a promising one, so we're pretty excited.
It looks like it needs enough renovation, which is exactly what we want to do, but not too much that it overwhelms us.
We're gonna see if we can negotiate them down, and if it's even something we want. So.
Yeah.
Take your order, please.
In Building with Earth Bags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be part of our family and for this week's adventure. So I was one of those little girls, I didn't dream about, you know, a big fancy wedding. Instead, I was like, it would be so fun for the first year of marriage to do some traveling around with my hubby. And Jared is making that happen. He's making my dreams come true. He is truly a My Little Homestead. Wink to Ivan.
While we were looking around for something to travel in, we really liked the idea of having a full set of amenities. A shower and full kitchen. That was a big part of what we were looking for.
Boy, you can almost fit that in your pocket. Does this have a pop out?
Yes.
It's got a pop out.
One of the small ones.
It's one of the small ones. Oh, let's look in here. So we ended up settling on a fifth wheel because it had all those amenities and the truck is all set up to go with it. Lots of the people that we talked to said that fifth wheels pull really nice, so that was perfect.
Yeah.
We've been saving for a while and our budget is $6,000. We're ideally looking for a trailer that's about 25 foot long and has a little pop out because that's what the truck can haul.
Yeah.
This looks like a dog of some kind. Oh, it'd be too big anyway.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of the smell.
It just smells so bad in here.
That would be nice if it was cleaner. It's a little too big.
Yeah,
We'll blame it on how big it is. We won't blame it on the fact that there was an inch of dog hair everywhere. As a little added, I really like the layout of the kitchen in the back. For some reason, I feel like that separates everything really nicely. It's a nice little place for it.
Yeah, it separates the kitchen from the living spaces. That's scary.
Wasn't expecting that. I think it's supposed to come down. It's got a pretty big slide out. There's pretty flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
We're just walking into someone's RV.
If somebody was living in here, the pop-out would be out.
Just casually a pair of flip-flops.
It'd be so embarrassing if there was somebody
Oh
in
my
here.
gosh, I thought somebody was sleeping on the bed, babe. I thought that that bulb was a person.
The truck that Dad had given us as a wedding gift, he had installed the rails for a fifth wheel hitch, but we just needed to find a hitch.
We just got a hitch. It's beautiful too. Oh my gosh. Couldn't ask for a better hitch. And we were gonna wait to get one with the trailer, but a really great deal popped up, a really fancy hitch for $100, which is, I don't know if you've done any research on hitches, but they're more than $100. So we couldn't believe it. Texted the guy and got it. We were the first in the door because there was a whole lineup behind us, believe me. But we were so excited to get that hitch.
Yes.
$100, 4 years old, perfect hitch.
Absolute perfect.
We're getting a hitch while getting hitched.
Exactly. There it is.
In all of its glory.
Absolutely.
Woo.
And while we were looking, we found this trailer. It has a 27-foot fifth wheel with no pop-out, but it had the kitchen in the back, and it also had this really open floor plan for the living space, which we just absolutely fell in love with immediately.
It's not what I was thinking originally, but it's super nice.
It's super nice. It's super nice in here.
It was impeccable. The guy had kept super good care of it. Which also went into another one of our factors. We wanted to only have to do cosmetic things. We didn't want to have a big project. And the kicker, he had it listed for $6,500, but we were able to negotiate it down to $5,500. Should we get it?
What do you think?
I think we should.
Okay, let's get it. With the condition the trailer was in and how perfect the layout was for us, it was just, we had to take it.
We bought it. We did it!
We did it!
We bought one and it's beautiful! We could not be more happy, huh, baby?
Absolutely.
So I want to preface this by saying we decided that we wanted to put this in a tiny little area. We had like cement blocks on one side, a car and a tree on the other, which was basically like threading the eye of the needle. I mean, this is the first time you pulled a
Yeah, first time I've pulled a fifth wheel.
You did good.
I understand the theoretical concepts of backing up a trailer, but putting it into practice, it was difficult, but it was fun.
Yeah, you did really good.
Garrett, go back out over here and start over.
Only a few tries. I mean, if I had been in there, I'd been like, all right, somebody else has got to get in this driver's seat. You did really, really good. You stayed in there. Had to have been a little frustrating at times, but you pushed through.
Close.
One more stab. Yeah, he was just close. He did
This
good.
is like the first time he's driven something like this, right?
Yeah. He's doing really good.
Now, and then make your cut, and then tail work. Is he good there, Sean?
Yeah, he's.
You can park it right there.
If he wants to park it right there, that's kind of a nice spot.
Right
Woohoo!
Well done.
That was a tough backup job.
That was awesome.
Right, now I just need
That sucker in there and beautiful.
ended up in a good spot too. Very convenient to work on it. Don't have to travel another 500 feet to go get to the trailer.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, it self-levels?
Automatically goes down, you know?
Oh, are you unhooking from the truck? So does that just come off? I've never seen these before. I don't know. Oh, I see. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's so cool.
You measured that distance perfectly, Jared.
I was just guessing.
Good guesses.
No, it's just sitting on its own now. One of the reasons that we decided that a 27-foot trailer would be alright is because it had no pop-out. Pop-outs add around 1,000 pounds, however many pop-outs there are on the trailer, and ends up being of comparable square footage in the trailer.
Yeah, you want to see it? Do you have the keys?
Yeah.
Here,
Let's go
open
see
it up. Show you.
So it looks so nice.
Now, we just went down the bumpy road, so
Oh, yeah.
who knows what the damage was. We went slow.
This is nice.
Yeah, you're gonna love this.
Oh, it's got the kitchen in the corner.
It's got the kitchen.
Oh, I didn't realize that. That's what you wanted.
Yes.
Wow. Blue, too. Oh, and then this is what you wanted, the bed in the front. Just for it to be in such nice shape, it's like you don't have to clean it up.
Finishing touches on it.
Come on, Chip. You want to see your new home? Come on. You want to see it? You're going to get really good at getting in and out of this thing. Come on. Come on.
Camping. No. There's some limitations to being a pig.
Yes.
But he is excited about food. And he did do this to our beautiful floor, but
He was inspecting the work.
he's just a little bit on the heavy side. Not so we'd notice.
Okay, so the first step in renovating anything is demo.
Jared? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
We immediately got started on demo.
We're gonna take out the old so we can put in the new. Put that mattress out.
The mattress out. I literally had to fold the mattress up on itself to get it through here. It was a very old mattress.
Okay, yeah.
Very, very old mattress. Now I'm in the process of trying to figure out how to get this carpet unsealed from the
Wall.
wall. Trying to figure out the best way to get it out.
So these are your tools.
Yes.
Cut it close and let it be.
Yeah. That's the plan so far.
All right. Sounds good.
Yep. As you can see, made progress. There's the carpet.
Carpet.
There's the pad under the carpet. One of the pads, anyway.
Oh, this is the last piece to go, huh?
Yep.
Are we gonna be able to stick the vinyl right onto that wood?
Under here, there's all these staples.
Oh, yeah. We
So I'm
got
going to, that thing was so staticky. Like that pad in particular was just like.
What are you gonna do here?
Same step vinyl, all the way across, because it'll be easier to clean.
Oh yeah.
Especially with Chip, we don't want any carpet, I don't think. Oh, it's so echoey now in there.
I vacuumed in there. Thank you.
Your humble abode? The humble abode. Love the kitchen, that is so cute.
That is awesome.
We're gonna end up taking this out and this. We're gonna put a table and chairs.
Nice, that's awesome.
Kind of update it a little bit, and then we're gonna repaint cabinets. You got nice storage in here. Oh, it's got a little baby tub. I know. For babies. For babies.
You could do the little coating thing like what we did.
We were thinking. That's what we were thinking actually, and then we replaced the sink.
Free toilet paper?
I know it.
You guys scored.
I know.
Well, that's in cabinet. Ooh, that's in good shape.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. Sound system? Wow.
I know. That probably will go.
Oh, your battery?
Look at how big this window
There's your
is.
format.
No RV window is ever that big.
We're pretty excited. I think everything was functional in here. It seemed like it was really well taken care of.
Was there like side pieces or was the mattress filling?
It was like a full-size mattress. That was
Oh, okay.
it was an absolute pain getting it out. But
Oh, I bet.
Chip already knows it's home.
I like how your kitchen is all right here too.
Yeah.
It makes it feel like it has like a kitchen and a living room.
We're gonna redo the countertop. We're gonna do a painted countertop. We're going to redo all the wood. We're gonna do a white distressed for all the cabinets. And walls are gonna be blue. Yeah, we'll be able to get a queen up there, I think.
yeah,
How do you think you'll get it in though?
in a box and unroll it up there. That'll be the
That's the
easiest
plan.
way.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cute mirror. You could move that to
Probably.
the bathroom if you want.
Not a bad idea.
That's not a bad idea at all.
Let's go put it here.
It's a good idea.
Oh, this is so nice, Bree. Oh, guys, it's so cute in here. I love all your plans and designs for it. It's gonna just come together so gorgeously. It's for everything that you want to do. And I'm so excited for you guys and your adventure and your project.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna go enjoy.
Alright, thanks, Jen.
Bye.
Bye. Why, hello there.
Hello there.
What do we got in here? Whoa!
That's real welcome.
Well.
For here, what we can do is just cut out the riser part and just put the vinyl right on top.
We'll have to get these walls prepped for paint and get them all painted up.
Yeah.
We already got the blue paint. It'll be almost beachy. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
We're shooting for a cheery country kitchen.
We'll see if we pull it off.
We are so pleased with the purchase, and Jared,
Absolutely.
he's the stud muffin, the My Little Homestead. He's getting in there non-stop, pulling everything out, so we are ready to get started next week on the renovation process.
Yeah, we cannot wait to get started renovating this thing.
Well, that wraps up this week. The t-shirt design of the week is My Little Homestead. If you'd like to get this on a t-shirt, sweatshirt, handbag, apron, or many of our newest products that we have over in our shop, as well as previous designs that we've done in past weeks, the link will be down in the description. We are now posting weekly pics every Wednesday and Friday at that 6 p.m. Pacific time. Last Wednesdays, if you missed it, was Garen and Ellie. They were continuing on their van build. If you'd like to freshen up on the van build project, because that's a continuation of it, we now have a playlist for that whole project so far. So 2 links in the description, one for that Wednesday video and one for the van build playlist. If you'd like to give this video a like, comment, and share, we really appreciate it. It helps us get the word out and get new people in the door. We really appreciate you being a part of our family, and we look forward to hanging out with you on Monday for a podcast. Bye!
Let's go see what the worker bee is doing in here.
Very different, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks bigger.
I think so too.
Because
What are these?
these are for each side of the bed.
The nightstands.
Oh,
they're
I
nightstands.
understand.
You understand
I
nightstand?
understand.
You under nightstand?
Yes, I under nightstand.
Yeah.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
Oh, it's seen some better days. It's cute though. And what's this little bathroom?
Nope.
Just a closet.
Oh, it might be. Yeah, there's the bathroom. The shower
Oh
bathroom.
lordy. It's really cute, honestly.
Cute, but kind of impractical.
He might want to
curve it a little bit more because there's a little tiny tree there. Turn a little bit, Jared, because there's a tree on the ground.